Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. Today is 21st of January. So today we'll start our analysis with the chart on our screen. This is Euro USD. Disregard the trend line you're seeing on my screen. So let's look at the chart from the daily chart, and then we scale down to a lesser time frame so that we see exactly what we expect to be happening. From the daily chart, this is what we have. So you remember yesterday we said we were looking for a sell. We mentioned that as long as the price was not able to break above the line which I'm just going to draw now, then we were looking for a sell. Just a second, let's delete the line we have on the screen. So we have we drew a line here around this support level. There's this breakout. So as it is now, the price is still being held below 1.21536. So while we continue to see sustenance below this level, below the zone which I've just drawn these two lines, we actually expect price to continue down up to this support. So this should be the correct place where you want to take profit from. If you took a sell with us here yesterday, you're supposed to hold on to this position, expecting price to continue down up to the first take profit. Then the next one is this level here. So if the price is to continue up, that is, instead of going down, if the price is to continue down, upward, sorry, then we'll use fib levels to locate the correct levels to look for trades. Like right now, we've gone below 23.6% fib level. We've tested 38.2% fib level. If the price now breaks below 38.2%, then we do expect a continuation downwards up to 50.0% fib level. If the price breaks below this point, then the next level is 61.8% fib level. A break below this point will mean we have now reversed, and the overall trend is now downwards. So as it is now, we took a sell from this point here. We are still holding onto this position. We are expecting price to continue down up to 38.2% fib level, and then the next level is 50.0% fib level. Then the next level is 61.8% fib level, and then the swing low is 100.0% fib level. The next chart I'd like us to look at is GBP USD here. So GBP is still consolidating upwards. You can see the price somehow is still consolidating in an upward manner. Look at this point. From this point here, we are upwards, yes, and the price continues to consolidate, but in an upward manner, which means as long as the price keeps forming higher lows, that is, like we had a low here, this is the lowest low we've seen so far, and then there's another higher low, this one, then we have a higher low here, and then we have another higher low here, and then we have another higher low here. So as it is now, expect price to continue upwards. As long as it continues to form higher lows, we do expect a continuation to the upper side. So if the price breaks beyond this resistance level, this one, if the current day's candle can close above 1.36867, then this will give us the correct price to sell from. We'll basically expect price to break beyond, like to create a fresh low. If the price breaks below this trend line, the one which I've just drawn now, then we'll be expecting a possible sell. We expect price to sell off up to this point. The next level is this point here, the next level is this point here, and then the next level is this point. So these are the places where if the price can come back up to, then they are going to give us a correct place to look for trades from. Is that clear? Do we understand whatever we are saying? Yes. So the GBPUSD is still upwards, but it's consolidating like in an upward manner. If the price goes below the trend line which I've just drawn, then that will give us a correct place to look for a sell from. The next chart I want us to look at is USD/JPY. So this chart for some reasons it was upwards yesterday, but then it broke again below where we're supposed to have bought from. Now we are sellers. Okay, remember we had this indicator yesterday, and we mentioned that while the price was being held above the indicator itself, that this was supposed to be a good buy. So somehow the previous day's candle actually closed below the 3 lines for the indicator. It closed below, which means this is still a sell. We do expect price to continue down up to this point here. So as it is now, keep looking for sell orders, keep looking for more sell positions, expecting price to continue much lower. So we wanted price to pull back up to this point here before it continued down. Unfortunately, that did not happen. The price could not reach this level. So we are still sellers still. We are just still sellers. So we recommend you keep looking for more sell positions. Keep looking for more sell orders, expecting price to